Welcome to the Veracity Networks Tutorials channel. This tutorial will show you how to enable and your hold music and to upload custom hold music if you don't want to use our system default, and also how you can set up a custom hold music for an individual user if they've got a Platinum or VCAS license. And bear in mind, music doesn't necessarily have to be musical. It could be sales announcements or promoting a new location and so forth. So what we're going to do is we're going to log into hosted.veracitynetworks.com. As you can see here, I've got it as WSV1, but it should be hosted if you do a bookmark, because if you go to hosted, it'll load balance between either WSV1 or WSV2. And we do occasionally have to take one or the other offline to do maintenance and upgrades and so forth. If you've got your bookmark set to go to hosted, then it'll go to the one that's available if one's been taken offline for maintenance. So we're going to log in. And we're starting here at the group level in the profile section. We're going to scroll down to announcement repository, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to upload our music or announcement. So we click on that, then click the add button, give it a name, and then browse on your computer to upload your recording. Our system accepts both WAV and WMA file formats. It doesn't accept any others like MP3 or MP4. For WAV files, they'll need to be formatted as linear PC at 16 kilohertz or 16,000 hertz if you'd rather, and 16-bit mono, not stereo. For WMA, it needs to be linear PCM, also at 16 kilohertz, 16-bit mono. And the maximum audio length is 10 minutes for music on hold, but bear in mind if you have any comfort messaging or anything like that, if you're doing call center functionality, every time an estimated wait time or a comfort message comes up, it will restart the hold music from the very beginning. And if you need help converting that, you can go to http://audio.online-convert.com/convert-2-WAV. It's a website that has free online audio editing capabilities. So it's an option for you. And then click the apply button. And you now have, if you do a blank search, your music here. And keep in mind too, if music's copyrighted, if we're notified that somebody's illegally using copyrighted music in our system, we will have to remove that music. That said, we don't proactively go out looking for it, but if somebody reports it to us, then we'd have to go from there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into services in the left sidebar, and we're going to scroll down to music video on hold. Now, if you have departments, it's possible to have different hold music or announcements for different departments, and you'll have an add button to add more departments if you need it. But typically, you'll just see the group, and you can click on edit or group. It doesn't matter. There typically won't be an add button, like I said, unless there are departments enabled. And you're going to need a check mark right here for enabling the hold music. And you should probably also check mark it for enabling it during call parking in case there's somebody in your organization that's parking calls. The busy camp, we don't use that functionality, so that doesn't matter. And we're in the general settings. You come here to custom music video, and you click your drop down, and everything you've uploaded in the announcement repository will be here, and you can choose from. And then you click the apply button. And you can also have it for internal call settings, but between calls internally. You can use the system default, or you can do custom music file there too. But don't use the external source option. It would chew up a lot of bandwidth, which would really affect the quality of your phone calls, so you don't want to do that. Now what I'm going to show you is how to go into an individual user and give them their own custom hold music if you wanted. You go back to profile here at the group level. We're going to go into users. I'm going to do a blank search, pull up all my users, clicking on agent 1. And first off, you go to the announcement repository, and you're going to need to add music. So we'll do another Vivaldi. And clicking browse. You're going to browse to where the music's being saved on your computer. And then just click OK. Now what we're going to do is go into call control in the left sidebar. And again, your users have to have at least a Platinum license, if not a VCAS license, in order to have music on hold. But if they do, it'll be under call control, music video on hold, internal and external options again. We're going to turn it on here. Set it custom defined, Vivaldi, apply, and you're all done. Thanks for watching and have a great day.